Riri nirio riuma ikerekaria muthia ria umwe wa atongoria aria ngumo yao itwikanitie ngongo na ngongo muthabara wa kibiraro ukigereria mwiri wake gicigo-ini arakumitie na kwenda makiria. Mwiri wa Raila Odinga uratwarirwo mucii kwao mugundaini wa OPODA aikaria BONDO kuu makigia na kanya ga kuona mwiri wake. Umuthi kiroko maabitha a kibiraro makiruta mwiri wake GUKU na kukinyia nginya University ya Jaramogi Odinga o kilomita nini kuma mucii. Haha mwiri wa Odinga ukiheo iteo cia gibũrũri. Arumiriri yake aria aingi ao makinyire rucini rwa umuthi kuria nao angi mararire guku magikirwo ni ihoru na makiremwo gwitikira gikuo kia Raila.
Vile ametuacha na huzuni, haitakuwa rahisi kujaza pengo, na kawaida mti kubwa ikianguka inaua miti mingi midogo chini.
Na watu wote wakampenda, wamama, watoto, vijana wakamchukua kama mzazi. Hawakuwa na nia mbaya na yeye kwa sababu ya uto yake na ile upendo yake alikuwa nao na wananchi.
Amwe mari na mwihoko kioneki giake gia kwihanda gwa bururi wa Kenya nikirikinyanira muthenya umwe wa mithenya. Ndumiriri-ini ya kimuthikafu wa kanitha wa Anglican mwena wa Bondo Reverend Joseph Wesonga nikiririta kuri atongoria mathikiririe mateta ma Kenya aria maratongoria udumwe na gukinyaniria watho wa maiganania toria watho wendekithitie.
Late Right Honorable Raila Odinga was a champion of gender equality. I want to plead that the country of Kenya ensures that we elect the right number of women to all the electoral positions, because that will please the late Honorable Prime Minister.
Oho Wesonga ni uririe thirikari gwikirira kuhurana na bara cia kimucii toria urari wendi wa mutigaire Raila Odinga.
He was an advocate against gender violence. And let me tell you, those who are here, when you go home, honor Raila by not beating your husband or beating your wife, because Raila was a crusader against gender violence. Raila was a politician who always listened to the ground. Let us always listen to the people of Kenya and make justice flow like a river.
Ihoru ria aria mekinyirie gucakaya Raila ritingihithikire mothu-ini mao, no na kuri uguo aingi ao ni monanirie gikeno na gwitira itemi riake ari kuruirira kwihanda kwa wiyathi wa bururi. Riu mwihoko wao ari kioneki giki gutwarithio na mbere. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma Bondo, kaunti-ini ya Siaya. Ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.